Is it time to buy or sell C3.ai stock? In this video, we are diving deep into C3.ai. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd of September 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of July, 2025, our system has ranked C3.ai as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.13. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 31.86%. This equates to an average loss of -1.23% per day since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 27.7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -39.21% to +7.18%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -18.3%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -37.02% to +81.44% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $10.50 and $30.26. Our latest daily update for C3.ai includes the headline, C3.ai stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. The C3.ai stock price decreased by 0.83% on the last day, Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, from $16.82 to $16.68. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.64%. with a low of $16.46 and a high of $17.06. The price has dropped in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.03% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may signal an early warning, and the risk could be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 11 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $175,870,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $45.08, while the lowest was $14.70. Currently, the price sits 63% or $28.40 below the 52-week high, and 90.93% or $167.22 below the all-time high reached on the 23rd of December, 2020. When the price peaked at $183.90. C3.ai reported a disappointing fiscal first quarter, reflecting a loss of 37 cents per share, which was in line with the consensus loss. Revenue fell to $70,300,000, down from $87,200,000 the previous year. The company also retracted its earlier guidance and announced a change in management. Stephen Ehikian will take over as CEO, while founder Thomas Siebel transitions to the role of executive chairman. This comes in the wake of declining sales and ongoing restructuring challenges. The stock plummeted by approximately 14% following this news, and multiple class action lawsuits have been filed, adding a layer of legal uncertainty. In the short term, expect continued volatility. The withdrawal of guidance, noticeable revenue decline, and potential litigation create selling pressure alongside margin uncertainty. Analyst downgrades could further push the share price lower or keep it suppressed until a new trajectory is established. In the long term, the stock's performance will depend on execution, specifically whether the new CEO can stabilize enterprise sales, halt the revenue decline, and enhance margins. If management can restore growth and credibility, the valuation may recover. However, if execution falters, we may see prolonged compression of multiples, increased financing risk, and further downside. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned AI a perform rating along with a downgrade action. On the same day, UBS also gave AI a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, KeyBank reported a mixed rating for AI, taking a hold position. On that same day, UBS assigned AI a neutral rating and maintained a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, KeyBank reported an underweight rating for AI with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned C3.ai stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for C3.ai. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen by 1.28%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term developments. The C3.ai stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal regarding the relationship between these indicators, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $17 and $21.46. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 30 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for C3.ai. C3.ai finds support from accumulated volume at $16.47. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movements throughout the day, displaying high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. During the previous day, the stock fluctuated 0.6% between its peak and trough, which is a change of 3.64%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for C3.ai, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at negative 38 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for C3.ai. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for C3.ai is at $16.91. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, C3.ai encounters its first support level at $16.47. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for C3.ai from various analyst sources stands at a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were conducted by Thomas M. Siegel, who bought and sold 1,751,593 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 22.839. In total, insiders acquired 2,941,408 shares, while selling 4,861,536 shares in the last 100 transactions. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is C3.ai stock a good buy? C3.ai exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 4th of September, we expect C3.ai to open higher by approximately 5 cents and begin trading at $16.73. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.